Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So you want to be an actor. So how do you go ahead and get an agent and a manager? Well, it's quite simple. Once you do, they're going to have you sign one or two contract agreements, an exclusive or non-exclusive contract. An exclusive contract means that you are essentially tied to exclusively that agent to get you work. All work and any work must come through that agent. A non-exclusive contract agreement simply means that you can go and get as many agents as you like to get you any type of work. You can also do your own homework and get your own work. The standard Hollywood fee for an agent and manager is 10%. That's 10% to agent and manager and 90% to artist, talent. Unless you get into a job such as Star Wars, where the agent and manager can charge you more, and that will be through a separate contract agreement between you and the agent and manager. And what is the difference between an agent and manager? Well, an agent simply gets you work. A manager guides you through your career, makes schedules for you, appointments, convention appointments, public appearances, things like this. That is the difference between an agent and a manager. Furthermore, unless you're in a country such as the Philippines, they're going to charge you, the agents and managers, 30+%, which is a total ripoff. Unlike in Hollywood, where it's 10% to, of course, to agent and manager, and 90% to artist. Okay? So I hope this helps. When you want to get into acting, aspiring acting, and you need an agent or manager. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.